You don't always need another expensive subscription just to keep track of your customers, leads, and sales. Sometimes having more control over the software itself makes a lot more sense. That's why open source CRM software has become such an interesting option for businesses that want more control. In this video, we're looking at the 5 best open source CRM platforms that stand out in 2026. Each one takes a different approach to managing leads, customers, sales, and everyday workflows. So let's take a look. If your sales team is constantly jumping between different tools, Odoo can make that process feel a lot more organized. It's an open source business suite, so your CRM can work alongside sales, accounting, inventory, email marketing, and other business tools. Inside the CRM, you get a visual pipeline where you can simply drag opportunities from one stage to another, see expected revenue, and keep track of what needs attention. Leads can come in from emails, website forms, live chat, and other sources. And Odoo can also score leads so your team can focus on the stronger ones first. And once a lead becomes an opportunity, Odoo keeps the follow-up side pretty straightforward. You can schedule calls, meetings, emails, and quotes, while activity plans can automatically line up the next steps for your sales team. You also get customer history, email, phone calls, reports, and sales forecasts all in one place. And if you want to see how your sales are doing, you can build your own dashboards too. Once you want more control over how your CRM actually works, EspoCRM can be a really good option. It's open source, self-hosted, and built around the idea that you shouldn't have to change your business just to fit the software. So you can customize fields, layouts, and relationships, and even create your own business entities so it can grow around the way your team already works. For the everyday CRM stuff, you get leads, contacts, accounts, opportunities, calendars, tasks, email syncing, templates, and a live activity stream so the whole customer history stays together. It also goes beyond sales with customer support cases, a self-service portal, a knowledge base, web-to-lead forms, campaigns, and mass email. And if your sales process needs more automation, you can set up workflows and business processes to handle repetitive steps. So the big benefit here is flexibility. A small team can keep things simple, while a growing business can customize EspoCRM around its own process. With Espo, you can keep much more control over your customer data instead of being locked into one vendor. When a business needs its CRM to handle more than just contacts and sales deals, YetiForce is worth looking at. It's also designed as an open source system for managing customer relationships along with wider business processes. So you can use it for sales, support, and day-to-day operations from the same place. You get the usual CRM tools for managing customer records, plus things like calendars, tasks, documents, workflows, reporting, and Kanban views. There's also a customer portal where customers can check things like orders or support tickets, which can cut down on all those repetitive emails and calls. YetiForce can be installed on your own server, and the company says the self-hosted system has the same functionality as the systems they host for customers. You also get APIs and plenty of room to customize the system around your own business process. The main thing to keep in mind is that self-hosting does require a properly configured server, so it makes the most sense for businesses that have some technical support available. Now, if you want something modern with open source, then have a look at this 20CRM. Its main idea here is flexibility. Instead of giving every business the exact same CRM setup, 20 lets you shape the system around your own workflow. So you can manage companies, contacts, deals, tasks, notes, emails, files, and calendars while using table views, Kanban boards, and sales pipelines to keep everything organized. You can also create custom objects and fields, build your own layouts, and set up no-code workflows without needing a developer for every little change. And that makes 20 especially useful for teams whose customer process doesn't fit neatly into a standard CRM. You can also bring existing data in through CSV or API, connect other apps through APIs and webhooks, and build custom dashboards to see things like deals, revenue, or team activity. And if you want an open source CRM that covers a lot of ground without stopping at basic contact management, Vtiger is a solid one to consider. Its open source edition lets you host the CRM yourself and customize it, which is useful for businesses that want more control over their customer data and how the system works. So on the sales side, you can manage leads, contacts, deals, pipelines, reminders, and customer communication. But Vtiger brings help desk and inventory management into the same system. Emails can automatically become support tickets, while products, services, price books, and taxes can be managed inside the CRM. There are also reporting, workflows, REST APIs, role-based access controls, and integrations, plus an extension marketplace with hundreds of add-ons. That makes it useful when sales and support teams need to work from the same customer information. And because you can modify the system and build on top of it, Vtiger can make sense for both smaller and larger teams. And that's our look at 5 of the best open source CRM platforms in 2026. So the right choice really depends on how your business works. Let us know which CRM you pick. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe for more.